These are some of the thinnest frames you're probably going to find on any frame shop wall. They shouldn't really be used for anything over a 16 by 20 due to the fact that when you put them together back here, it's held together with one V-nail because you can't get two in there. There's just not enough wood meat to get it in there. Some of them are even smaller than others. If you look at this one with the scoop here, where it's scooping out, your V-nail's got to come in so far to not be able to go through the outside of the scoop area where it's protruding out, so it's thinner wood here than it is here. I wouldn't put over one mat, at the most two. You have to think about how that's put together when you put your glass or your plexi or whatever in your mat and your picture. It starts to get pretty thick, so when you think about that and you look here, you've got things protruding out the back edge. Therefore, it's not going to look good on the wall, especially in a traffic area, because they're going to see that stuff hanging out the outside of that edge. This is just one picture on foam core. And as I put it in there, it almost took up the whole well of the picture, the rabbit part of the picture. So you really don't have anything to nail it to. If I had a piece of glass, it would add a little bit more, and if I had a mat, it would start to stick out the back. And if that's in a traffic area, that's going to be seen as you walk down the wall. That's not an attractive look to most anybody's home, and I try not to go there because of that fact. So these are probably more like simple pieces of art that don't have a lot of detail to them, that don't have a lot of thickness to them. They're great pieces to use, but I do recommend that you stay under a 16 by 20 with those.